Wow! Look at Central Park! I can't wait to explore!
It looks amazing! I wonder what we'll find first.
Look at all these birds flying above us in Central Park!
I see them! They are so colorful and cheerful!
Wow!
This tree in Central Park is enormous! It must be very old and strong. Trees like this help.
Look at the birds singing up there in Central Park!
They are so happy and colorful!
The ducks in Central Park are swimming so gracefully.
The water is so clear, I can see the reflections of the trees.
Look at all these flowers and butterflies in Central Park.
They are so pretty. I love the colors.
Flowers help bees and butterflies. This leaf in Central Park has tiny veins everywhere. Wow, how does sunlight go through it like that? Leaves are amazing. Look at that squirrel jumping from branch to branch in Central Park.
It's so fast and playful.
Animals like this make the park lively and fun. This bench in Central Park is perfect to rest a little.
We can watch everything around us comfortably. The sunset in Central Park is so beautiful. Everything looks golden and magical.
Whoa! Look at that giant dinosaur!
It's amazing.
I didn't know Central Park had a dinosaur garden.
What?
This dinosaur is huge!
Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago.
Imagine if they were walking here in Central Park. Look! These fossils show dinosaur bones.
Scientists use fossils to learn about ancient animals.
That means
wow! Look at those tall giraffes!
They are the tallest animals in the world! Look how the giraffes reach the leaves!
Their long necks help them eat from tall trees.
Nature makes...
Wow! Butterflies are flying everywhere. They are so colorful and gentle.
This butterfly garden is... Look closely. Tiny insects are on this leaf.
Nature has small creatures everywhere.
Central Park is like a giant outdoor classroom. Wow! This playground looks amazing!
Look at that giant slide!
Central Park is full of... Wow! You can see the whole park from here.
Central Park is so big and beautiful.
I wonder what other amazing places are waiting for. Look! A new path.
Maybe it leads to another amazing place.
Let's go explore more of Central Park. Look at that monkey swing.
They are so fast and playful.
Animals make Central Park even more fun.
Look! Penguins are swimming!
They are so funny when they slide. Central Park even has penguins.
Welcome to the Adventure Fair inside Central Park, where children come to play, laugh, and explore.
Wow!
The Ferris wheel lets visitors see the beautiful park from high above.
It goes so high!
You can see everything from up there. The Ferris wheel lets visitors see the beautiful park from high above.
It goes so high!
You can see everything from up there.
Penguins are excellent swimmers and love playing in the water.
That penguin jumped! They swim so fast!
This playground is one of the favorite places for kids in Central Park.
This playground is huge!
Kids could play here all day. Butterflies help flowers grow by spreading pollen.
So many butterflies!
They make the garden beautiful. As evening comes, the park becomes calm and peaceful.
The sunset is beautiful.
Central Park is amazing.
But their adventure in Central Park is not finished yet.
Another path!
Let's explore more.
This special aquarium tunnel lets visitors walk under the water and watch fish swim above them.
Wow!
Sea turtles are gentle creatures that can live for many decades.
That turtle is huge!
It moves so slowly.
Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of ago.
That dinosaur skeleton is gigantic!
Dinosaurs must have been incredible. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago.
That dinosaur skeleton is gigantic!
Dinosaurs must have been incredible. This robot guide helps visitors find exciting places inside the park.
A robot guide!
Technology is everywhere.
Giraffes are the tallest animals on land. That giraffe is so tall!
Its neck is longer than the tree branch.
Festivals in the park bring joy and color to visitors.
Look at all those balloons!
The sky looks colorful.
Water playgrounds help children learn how water moves and flows.
The water fountains are fun! This place is refreshing.
When night comes, the park glows with beautiful lights. The lights are magical. It feels like a fairy garden. But their adventure in Central Park is still continuing.
Another path.
Let's keep exploring. The musical fountain show is one of the most magical attractions in Central Park. Wow!
The water is dancing.
From above, visitors can see how large and beautiful the park really is.
Look, a flying camera.
It can see in the dinosaur park. Visitors can learn about creatures that lived millions of years ago.
That dinosaur moved. It looks so real.
The glow garden lights up the night with beautiful colors.
The plants are glowing.
This garden feels magical. The giant treehouse is a favorite climbing spot for young explorers.
That treehouse is enormous. Let's climb it.
The zip line gives visitors a thrilling ride above the park.
That looks exciting.
They're flying through the air.
Fireflies light up the night with their natural glow.
Look at all the tiny lights.
They're fireflies.
On clear nights, visitors can watch the stars from the open lawn.
The stars look amazing.
There are so many.
At night, the park lake becomes peaceful and calm.
The lake looks beautiful at night.
It's so peaceful here, and their adventure through Central Park continues.
This park has so many amazing places.
I wonder what the Skyglass Bridge lets visitors walk high above the park.
I can see the park below.
This bridge is amazing. One of the most exciting attractions in Central Park is the giant dragon statue.
Wow, that dragon is huge.
The underwater glass tunnel gives visitors a feeling of walking under the ocean.
The fish are swimming right above.
The Dinosaur Valley brings prehistoric creatures to life in a safe, fun way.
Wow, that dinosaur is huge.
The Space Adventure Ride tells visitors on a fun cosmic journey above the park.
Look, we're flying past the stars.
The Volcano Park Show is one of the most thrilling attractions in the park.
Look at the lava and lights.
It's so exciting! Visitors can soar above Central Park in floating sky balloons.
We are flying over the park.
Everything looks so tiny from up here. The Rainbow Light Tunnel shines with thousands of colorful lights.
Everything is glowing. It feels like walking inside a rainbow.
The Magic Carousel brings joy to children with its colorful, glowing animals.
This horse is glowing.
The Enchanted Maze challenges visitors to find their way through a magical labyrinth.
Which way should we go? Let's follow
The Enchanted Maze challenges visitors to find their way through a magical labyrinth.
Which way should we go?
As the night ends, Central Park celebrates with a spectacular fireworks show.
Wow.
In Central Park's Mountain Animal Zone, visitors can safely watch powerful animals.
Tigers and bears.
In Central Park's Mountain Animal Zone, visitors can safely watch powerful animals like tigers and bears.
Wow.
Deep inside Central Park, the Monkey Forest Bridge is home to playful monkeys and powerful gorillas.
Look at those monkeys swinging.
Central Park's Forest Valley is home to graceful deer and clever foxes living peacefully in nature.
Look at those deer.
Welcome to the amazing Gorilla Jungle Waterfall inside Central Park, New York.
Wow, the Central Park jungle.
Central Park's Elephant Lake is a peaceful place where visitors can watch majestic elephants.
The elephants in Central...
Visitors love the Bear Mountain Path inside Central Park, New York for its friendly bears and scenic views. The Fox Forest Trail is a beautiful wildlife area in Central Park, New York.
The fox is so fast.
And the deer are... Central Park's Grand Animal Valley is a spectacular place where visitors can see many animals together. There are animals. The Magic Carousel brings joy to children with its colorful, glowing animals.
This horse is glowing.
Central Park's Grand Animal Valley is a spectacular place where visitors can see many animals together.
There are animals.
The Rainbow Butterfly Garden in Central Park is full of life, color, and magical moments.
Wow.
The Mountain Sky Ride in Central Park gives a breathtaking view of the whole park.
Look at all the forests and lakes below.
The hidden waterfall cavern in Central Park is full.
The glowing fish make this cave look
The magical treehouse village brings adventure and joy to Central Park.
Look at those huge tree houses! I want to climb them.
Central Park's enchanted flower field
Is a breathtaking wonderland full of life, color, and magic.
Central Park's Starry Night Lagoon is perfect for calm and wonder.
The lagoon sparkles like stars.
from Sunset Hill. Central Park glows beautifully as the sun sets.
The sunset here is amazing.
Everything looks magical. We've seen so many amazing places in Central Park.
This is the perfect ending to our adventure.